Good morning, everyone. So yesterday I received an order from fabric.com, and it's some fabric that I ordered in order to make some face masks for myself, family, and friends. And I also plan on donating to my doctor's office as well if they're willing to accept them. So this is the order. So the first one is this, and it's like side profile of a woman's face with an afro and earrings, and it comes in individual plastic. So I'm gonna open it now, and I basically just got like a yard of each. And that's what it looks like. And it's all 100% cotton. Even though the profile is kind of big, but I still wanted to try and make a face mask with it and see how it looks. So that's that one. And the next one is this kente cloth. So like I said, it comes in individual plastic, and then that's what that looks like. I just love this. This is so beautiful. And then this is the next one. I will link the names down below. And then this one has like different animal heads on there. So I really like that. This is the next one. It's a black and white fabric. And that's what that one looks like. And then this one is more of like a batik kind of look, which I actually believe it probably is a batik. And then this one is like a animal print skin, like snake-like almost effect. So, and you know, like I said, I'm gonna use these to make some face masks, which I will upload. So stay tuned for that video. All right, and that is my complete order. And it came pretty quick, I will say. Took them a week maybe. All right, and that is my complete order.